What is cardiac output?
The volume of blood pumped by each ventricle in 1 minute.
Can you tell me an equation for cardiac output?
Cardiac output equals stroke volume into heart rate.
What is the normal value of cardiac output of a healthy adult?
5 liters per minute.
What is stroke volume?
The amount of blood pumped out of the heart per beat.
What is heart rate?
The amount of heartbeats per minute.
So according to your equation, cardiac output should increase with heart rate. Is it true for all situations?
No, the cardiac output increase with the increase in heart rate up to approximately 180 beats per minute. Further increase will decrease the diastolic time. It will reduce the end diastolic volume and stroke volume.
What is the importance of diastolic time?
Most of the ventricular filling occurs in diastole. Coronary blood flow, especially to the subendocardial portions of the left ventricle, occurs only in diastole.
How ventricular filling occurs?
Passive ventricular filling occurs as soon as atrioventricular valves open. Then atria begins to contract, propelling the additional blood into ventricles.
What are the other factors that can affect end diastolic volume other than filling time or length of the diastole?
Distendability of ventricles, atrial systole, the filling pressure.
What did you mean by the filling pressure? Is that the rate of venous return?
Yes.
Can you explain it with examples?
When total blood volume increases, the venous return also increases. So, when there is a hemorrhage, venous return decreases. Changes in venomotor tone alters the capacity of veins. When veins are constricted, venous pooling will decrease and venous return will increase. When standing for a long time, venous pooling will increase, venous return will decrease. With inspiration, venous return will increase. Exercise, pumping action of skeletal muscles increases the venous return.
Are there any changes occur in the recordings of jugular venous pulse with respiration?
Yes. During inspiration, jugular venous pressure decreases, and during expiration, jugular venous pressure is slightly elevated as compared to inspiration.
Why is that?
Venous pressure falls during inspiration as a result of increased negative thoracic pressure due to the expansion of the thoracic cavity. During expiration, the pressure inside the thoracic wall is more than the inspiration, so venous pressure rises.
What are the diseases that can reduce the distensibility of the ventricles?
Pericardial effusion, cardiac tamponade, constrictive pericarditis.
What is constrictive pericarditis?
A condition occurs when there is a severe prolonged inflammation in pericardium leading to fibrosis of the pericardium, which doesn't allow ventricles to relax properly during diastole.
What happens to jugular venous pulse pattern in constrictive pericarditis?
There is a paradoxical rise in jugular venous pressure with inspiration along with steep Y descents.
What is represented by jugular venous pulse or jugular venous pressure?
Pressure changes occur in right atrium.
What is the vein we use to record it?
Internal jugular vein.
Why it is better than external jugular vein?
As there is no valves in internal jugular vein, it directly communicates with the pressure changes in right atrium. It passes through lesser facial planes than external jugular vein, so it reflects the pressure changes in right atrium better than external jugular vein.
What are the waves present in jugular venous pressure recordings?
A wave, C wave and V wave.
What are the situations that occur in right atrium relevant to that waves?
A waves occur due to right atrial systole. C wave occur due to the bulging of the tricuspid valve at the onset of the ventricular contraction. V wave occur due to rise in right atrial pressure due to passive venous filling.
Tell me a condition that we can see CV waves.
Tricuspid regurgitation.
What can be the condition if A wave is absent in jugular venous pressure recordings?
Atrial fibrillation.
Any valve lesion?
Tricuspid stenosis.
What happens to the jugular venous pressure in right ventricular hypertrophy?
The A wave become prominent, tall and large.
What are the waves present in complete heart block or third degree heart block?
Cannon waves.
Cannon waves occur.
When right atrium contracts against a closed tricuspid valve.
Why cannon waves are present in ventricular tachycardia?
In right ventricular tachycardia, atria will beat according to the rhythm of SA node, approximately to 8 beats per minute. But ventricles will contract according to an ectopic focus which produce more than 100 beats per minute. So the normal pattern of the contraction is dissociated. By a random chance, it is possible that atria and ventricles contract simultaneously. This simultaneous ventricular contraction can keep tricuspid valve closed. So right atrium contracts against a closed tricuspid valve, producing cannon waves.
So in complete heart block and ventricular tachycardia, cannon waves appear by a random chance, not regularly. What could be a possible cause for regular cannon waves?
It can occur when the atrioventricular node becomes the pacemaker of the heart. Atrioventricular node simultaneously leads a contraction of atria and ventricles.
How can you differentiate the A wave and V wave just by observing, not by looking at the recordings?
By simultaneously looking at the venous pulse and feeling the carotid pulse. If a wave comes before the carotid pulse in the jugular pulse, it is A wave. If a wave comes just after the carotid pulse, it is V wave.
What are the differences between jugular venous pulse and carotid pulse?
Jugular venous pulsations are present at a clear upper level. If we observe, we can see an inward movement moving up and down. It is called a suction type pulsation. Carotid pulsations are expansile type pulsations. There is an outward movement moving in and out. Carotid pulsations are palpable and jugular venous pulsations are not palpable. Jugular venous pulsations can be obstructed easily, but carotid pulsations is difficult to obstruct.
How arterial pulse is produced?
Ejection of blood during systole sets off a pressure wave in the artery. This pressure wave expands the arterial walls as it travels along the artery. This pulsation is palpable as pulse.
What is ventricular systole?
The period of contraction of ventricles of the heart that occurs between the closing of atrioventricular valves and opening of the semilunar valves.
Can you define it using ECG?
The interval between the QRS complex and the end of the T wave, the QT interval.
It is isovolumetric contraction.
A phase occurs in early systole where ventricles contract with no volume change while all four valves of the heart are closed.
What do you call to the innate ability of a heart muscle to contract?
Myocardial contractility.
What is the law regarding contractility?
The Starling's law of the heart.
What is Frank-Starling law?
Energy of contraction is proportional to the initial length of the cardiac muscle fiber.
What is ejection fraction?
The fraction of end-diastolic volume which is ejected per ventricular beat.
Can you remember the equation of ejection fraction?
Ejection fraction equals stroke volume divided by end-diastolic volume.
What happens when myocardial contractility is increased?
It increases the ejection fraction, more blood will expelled, stroke volume increases, so cardiac output also increases.
Is there a mechanism that increases the cardiac output without increasing myocardial contractility?
Yes, by increasing the venous return to the heart, it increases the end-diastolic volume of the ventricle. It will stretches the cardiac muscles, so the cardiac muscle fiber length is increased, so more tension developed in cardiac muscle fibers. It increases the force of contraction during ventricular systole, so more blood will expelled. Cardiac output increases.
What increases the myocardial contractility?
Positive inotropic agents.
Okay, I want to know what are the positive inotropes?
Circulating catecholamines, statins, digitalis.
To whom we usually give digitalis?
To patients with heart failure, to patients with atrial tachycardia,
Why it is called as a positive inotropic agent? I want to know the action of it.
It inhibits the sodium-potassium ATPase activity. So sodium is accumulated and intracellular sodium level will go up. So sodium-calcium exchanges can't exchange extracellular sodium with intracellular calcium. So calcium will be added to the intracellular stores. It increases the calcium stores of muscle. This extra amount of calcium leads to extra strength in contraction. So it is called as positive inotropic agent.
Why it is given to the patients with atrial tachycardia?
Digitalis stimulates the vagal action on the heart, so it slows down the atrioventricular node and protect ventricles from atrial tachycardia.
What are the conditions that can decrease the myocardial contractility?
Hypercapnia, hypoxia, acidosis, sepsis, loss of myocardium, vagal stimulation, and heart failure.
What happens to jugular venous pulse in right heart failure?
It can be seen higher up in the neck.
Tell me some diseases that can cause elevated jugular venous pressure.
Cardiac tamponade, renal diseases,
What can cause low jugular venous pressure?
dehydration, hemorrhage,